Second ranked match of the night. Oh, it shows his name. That's cool. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! Oh, you trolling Lockbird. Hit me with the orange light. Hey, Ghost Oda Natasha, nice. I was the highest ranked player. Oh wow. He was the highest ranked player. Okay. He doesn't have his voice chat, so I'm gonna turn off the voice chat. Damn it, ultimateness. Does he have other fairies in his hand? A bit of Fafnir. Yeah, there it is. That's when I affect Baylor. Fafnir. He could still go into that thing. Arclight, I did 10. He does have a fairy for the Medionis DRYTRON, or for the ultimateness. What? He's not doing. What the heck? Was he really the highest ranked? Where's the rankings here? Is there like a rank here? Leaderboards right here. Oh, he is. Holy jeez. Oh, wow. This guy's third right now. What's going on? Heck just happened? So he does have ultimateness, but oh, he will get it with the Beatrice. Yeah, he'll get it with the Beatrice. Oh, he's got this for sure. Am I anywhere in the rankings? Oh, definitely not. These guys are in the 2000s. Definitely not even close. I don't play that much. I played really bad today. I was at 1 this morning. It's gonna get negated. That's also gonna get negated. What if I do this? Oh, that's also gonna get negated. Oh. Negated everything I got. Okay. No! Is that OTK? I wasn't even paying attention. Es-Veneno wins. I'm stuck. Yes. Oh, swap it out. Rolling awkward's good. Should I close the game? Yes. Finish. Be stuck then. No, I can't be. Last time this happened, I lost by that. I'm done siding. Yeah, it's stuck. I don't know, let's see what happens. Definitely not, I think it's better not to close the app. Okay. Okay. Oh, whoa. Yeah, I'm going first. Round 2. Dude. Probably has Joel and Lockbird. He has something. He has something up his sleeves. Joel Lockbird. Oh no, I won't be able to get the gamma. I won't be able to cheese. No! Wow. Dragoon, do not fail me. Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes, Dark Dragoon. And that's all I could do. Oh, that's Alpha. That'd be hilarious if we had the same deck. It's okay, I watch your videos at NetDeck, does ya? God damn it. God dang it! Battle. Anaconda. Direct attack. Come on. Dragoon. Direct attack. If I beat this guy. Wow. Oh, never mind. He wins. He could go for the Duelist attack. Yeah, he goes for the Duelist. Destiny draw. Fuck. Should I go for the Boral Sword? He runs Boral Sword. I mean, you could do Ben 10, yeah. That's a Boral Sword. Still hasn't did Gamma. I'll tribute to Ben 10. Get the Gamma out. Gamma's effect. Special. Doesn't matter what DRYTRON. Ben 10, I don't know what he has in his hand. Maybe another fairy for orange light. Okay. Decrease attack, add back. could go for Boral Sword, and that's probably a game over. Yeah, Boral Sword. Link Shogun. God dang it. Ouch. I should have just kept the goddamn card in my hand. Oh yeah, and Boral Sword's effect will switch. No! No! Oh god. Dang it. Ning. Your Yugioh channel. God. I thought I was gonna beat him once, at least once. Didn't happen. 1381. Where was I? 1389. So I went down by 8. That's awesome. Still at 166. Comment, share, like if you subbed it. George W. Cush. Love it if you liked it. See you guys.